Okay, question 3. In an ANOVA hypothesis test, we reject the null hypothesis when there's sufficient evidence to indicate at least one mean is different from the others. Do you guys agree?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That it's true?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Question 4. What requirements need to be checked when performing an ANOVA hypothesis test? Or I call that apply.
The lessons say that values of f are never negative. The values of f.
So is the value, is f though? That's not the mean, is it? Or does that would affect it?
I'm not sure.
It's definitely the second one.
And also the third one.
Yeah. I don't think the sample means.
I don't think so.
Okay. Question 5. To check if each group is normally distributed, do the following. Is it the QQ plot?
Yep.
Awesome. Question 6. We assume the variance in each group is the same if the following happens. Second one?
Yeah.
Question 7. An ANOVA hypothesis test is equivalent to conducting independent two-sample t-tests between every pair of samples. If there are 3 samples, there are 3 pairs. 1, 2, 1, 3, and 2, 3. How many pairs are there when there are 4 samples? 4?
No.
No.
I don't think so. I got 6.
I'm just looking real quick.
How do you find that?
So, you have 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. You're gonna have just by started by 1, you have 3 already. Then you start 2. So 2, 1 is already taken. 2, 2, you cannot do it. So you start 2, 3. That's gonna be the 4th. 2, 4. That's gonna be the 5th. And then 3, 1 is already there. 3, 2 is already there. 3, 3 you cannot do it, and 3, 4.
Oh, okay.
So it is 6.
Yeah.
So if you take from the 4, 4, 1 is already, 4, 2 is already, 4, 3 is already, 4, 4 is not going. So.
Okay. Awesome.
Question 8.
Let's see. Question 8. What is the minimum variance for the 6 groups for soccer shoes?
We got 27 to 8.
So how would you do it for this one? I'm very confused.
So you based all the information in the ANOVA?
Oh no, not yet.
Yeah, you have to do that. Because there is soccer shoe information.
Mm-hmm.
So there is labels A, B, C, D, E. So you have to show, copy and paste all the information in every variable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you're gonna have your answer over there.
Okay.
Did you understand how to get the margin of error?
No, I Googled it. I never understood it.
Well, I saw videos and there is the video of the instructor and there is 3 ways to do it.
Oh man.
Yeah, so it says that you have to do the 95 interval thing.
Uh-huh.
Let me see. So you have the confidence interval. So you take the upper one minus the lower one divided by 2.
Oh.
And then another way is the upper one divided or minus the mean, and you have another one. Another one is get the DF and the T value and put in the applet, and that's going to give you your P value. So over the P value, you do manually with the formula, not with the P value that is given in the Excel.
Uh-huh.
You have to find it on the applet, and then you can have another one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Huh. That would have been good to know earlier.
Yeah.
Okay. So the smallest variance is 27.208.
Mm-hmm.
And then the largest is 53.158.
The largest. 53,158.
Yeah.
Yeah. So then question 10 would be true.
Yeah.
The variances would equal. Okay. Okay, question 11. Construct a QQ plot.
For the 6 samples.
Okay.
So what I'm looking at so far is that they're not normal, if I'm reading that correctly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you have to sort them from the smallest to the largest.
Oh, do we?
Yeah. Otherwise, it's gonna be always mess. Obviously, if you sort them, you're gonna have more normal distributed.
Yeah, so it's false, right?
I think it's true.
Oh, it's
No,
true?
it looks like it's true. Yeah, when you sort it from
Then they go
smallest to
normal?
largest.
Oh, I did not do that.
Yeah.
I just learned that in the
Okay.
video also. There is very good information in the video. If you still have some questions about when you have to choose the if it's pair, if it's a t-test, if it's a all those stuff.
Yeah, I saw that word sheet that he put out to know
Like,
when it is. That's really helpful. Okay, question 12. Perform an ANOVA test in SPSS and observe that the p-value is 0.081. Then remove the SOX data and perform the test again. What is the p-value when we remove the SOX data?
what is a SPSS?
I think it's like a different form, so it's not
It's if you're not
Excel.
using Excel, you're using SPSS, which I don't know what that is, so.
Yeah. I mean, technically, it should still give you the same answer.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have to take off the last one.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to remove the socks.
309.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Question 13. The test statistic for an ANOVA hypothesis test is an F statistic. Is the p-value the area to the right or the left? To the right.
Yep.
I don't even know that one, so I'll go with you guys on that one.
That one was in the reading.
Yeah. I had to really skim fast through the reading this week because literally it's been the busiest week of the semester so far, so.
Okay. 14. Let's examine the calories first. Construct QQ plots of the calories for each of the 3 types of hot dogs and compare the variances to determine if the assumptions to use ANOVA have been met. Great.
What is the question?
What did we put for number 4, by the way? For some reason, I do not have anything clicked.
It was data in each group, and the variances are equal.
Oh, okay. So, B and C then, right?
Yeah. So for this one, have the assumptions been met?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it would be the first one?
Yeah, the only option.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay. Run an ANOVA test to determine if the mean number of calories is the same for all 3 types of hot dogs. You should find that the degrees of freedom are 2 and 51, that F equals 16.074, and that P equals 0.000, with a level of significance equal to 0.05. Oh, yes. What conclusion can you draw?
The p-value is just given there, right? Because in the
Yeah, so everything is correct.
because I don't have the same p-value on my.
I think that's what I thought too. But it's a -0.06, so you have to move the decimal 6 places to the left.
Okay.
So it makes it 0.00.
Mm-hmm. So we reject the null.
Yeah.
We have sufficient evidence to claim that all 3 hot dog types all the same mean number of calories. We have sufficient to claim that all 3 hot dog types have different mean number of calories.
Would we have... I think we would have sufficient evidence to claim that at least one of the hot dog types has a different mean number of calories, right?
Yeah.
Question 16. Now let's examine the sodium levels. Construct QQ plots with the sodium level for each of the 3 types of hot dogs. You should see that the QQ plot for poultry suggests a possible problem with a normality assumption. The smallest variance is 7180.75, and the largest is 10492.871. Have the assumptions been met to use ANOVA? Would it be the third one then? The assumptions haven't been met, but we can assume that the variances are equal.
The third one?
Yeah.
We cannot, yeah.
Yeah. Because we can assume that the variances are equal, but, I mean...
Yeah, I think it's
the assumption.
the largest one has to be 4 times the small one.
Mm-hmm.
I got. Okay, the largest variance is less than or equal to 4 times. Yeah.
Yeah.
It is.
So it would be the third one?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Despite the possible problem with the QQ plot for poultry, you decide to use ANOVA to determine if the mean sodium levels are the same for all 3 groups. What's the p-value for this test? .000?
Did you change the information?
No. Are we supposed to change it?
Yeah, there is another column with the sodium information.
Whoa. There it is. Dang it. Okay. So would the new p-value be 0.179?
Yeah.
What conclusion can you draw about the mean sodium levels of 3 types of hot dogs? Use a level significance of 0.05.
So we failed to reject.
Mm-hmm.
The second one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the only one. Yes.
Yeah.
Work.
Okay, awesome.
So we got to submit it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We got 100%.
Woohoo!
Awesome.
Yeah. I need to go watch the videos again. With the exam coming up, I want to be like so confident that I'll do well.
Yeah.
Because it's everything we've learned up until now, right?
Yeah.
When is that again?
So the test opens on Thursday, if I'm correct. Yeah, opens on Thursday, and it says it closes on Saturday.
Okay, so we have a couple days.
Yeah.
Perfect, that's not bad at all.
Okay, awesome.